Our planet, Earth. You may think you know it well, but a startling new picture is emerging of a world shaped by forces more dynamic and intertwined than we ever imagined. Raising possibilities.
These are the waters of the lowest lake in the world. They lie over 1,000 feet below the level of the oceans. And these strange formations are not ice, but salt. This is the Dead Sea. It's so hot here that most of the streams which once in a while trickle down the surrounding hills dry up before they get as far as this. Those few that do reach this lake bring some of the salt with them, having dissolved it from the rocks and soils over which they flowed. Briny springs also bubble up from the bottom of the lake. And as the water the tender leaves of the cedars and the oaks. They're also expert foragers on the ground, collecting fallen acorns, digging up bulbs and juicy roots, and catching millipedes and earthworms. Macaques like these once lived in the forests of the European shore, as well as here in Africa. And at one time, when the climate was rather warmer than it is now, they spread far north across Europe, even as far as Britain, as their fossilized bones prove. The monkeys that live today on the Rock of Gibraltar may in fact be a relic of that ancient European population. But during recent centuries, their numbers have been boosted many times with importations of animals caught in these cedar forests in Morocco. The young are strikingly different in colour from the adults. Usually only one is born at a time. Twins are very rare, and the baby is most carefully looked after by its parents. The males take their share of the baby minding, so allowing the females to go and gather food unencumbered by an unruly baby. In fact, all the adults clearly love playing with babies and are so eager to do so that they take on passengers whether the baby belongs to them or not.